Now and today functions. These functions are normally misused by most Excel users, especially ng mga Excel beginners. And I did the same mistake before. That's why let's talk about how to properly use these functions and saan ba siya talaga dapat ginagamit. By definition, now returns the current date and time, and today returns the current date. And hearing the definition, normally, ang iisipin mo agad is, since yung now function will return the current date and time, pwede mo siyang gamitin for timestamps. Example, um, on this table, let's say we have employee 9, and then we want to log the current time so that ayun yung magiging time in niya. And normally, what we will do is type the now function and we capture the current time, time in, and there you go. However, now and today functions are volatile functions, meaning every time na magre-refresh ka, magbabago ka ng value ng isang cell, or technically, anytime na magre-recalculate si Excel, nagbabago rin yung value nila. For example, 1227. Let's change the format of this to include seconds. Time, and let's include the seconds. And i-click ko yung F9 to recalculate or refresh. And as you can see, nagbago yung time. Every time na magre-recalculate si Excel, nagbabago yung time niya. Kaya hindi siya dapat gamitin for timestamps. Kasi once na nag-log ka dyan and balikan mo siya after a few seconds or a few minutes, magbabago yung timestamp, which is magiging mali na siya. Same with today function. It's just that for today function, hindi siya masyadong obvious kasi ang refresh rate niya is by day. Since ang kinukuha lang niyang data is yung day, not the time. So, paano nga ba siya gamitin? Let's go ahead and delete this for now. Okay, let's start with now function. First tip that I can provide is normally yung now and today functions are used along with another function or within a formula. So, hindi mo siya ginagamit as is kasi the use of now and today function is to compare another timestamp or another, let's say, another date to the current date or a time interval to the current time. So, laging merong comparison. For example, si employee ID, nag-log in siya ng 11 a.m. or nag-time in siya ng 11 a.m. So, we want to calculate ilang oras na or ano yung duration mula nung nag-login siya until the current time. So, ilang oras na and ilang minutes na from the time na nag-login siya. And the formula for that is mod and yung current time now minus yung login time divisor 1 enter. So, meron ng 1 hour and 31 minutes simula nung nag-login si employee number 8. Another use for now function is yung remaining time. For example, start time mo is 11 a.m. and you have a time limit of 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, ang due will be 12:30 p.m. And you want to know Well, it's already 12:30, so palitan natin, gawin natin 2 and 30. So, you want to know kung ilang oras pa or ilang minutes pa yung natitira sa'yo. And the formula for that will be mod now, sorry, yung due minus now, divisor natin is 1, and enter. So you have 57 minutes to complete this task. So ganon gamitin yung now function. How about today function? So again, we want to compare a date, a previous date, or a future date to the current date. And one example that I can think of is employee life cycle management. So for example, on this table, by the way, the datas here are all makeup data. So hindi po valid yan mga yan. So example, for this one, we want to get yung tenure ng mga employees based sa hire date niya. And the formula is date diff, start date is yung hire date, end date is today, and ang gusto natin kunin is yung years. So Y. Close and enter. And here we can see that employee number one is already 4 years with the company from the day that he was hired. Another example is the due date. On this example, your due date is 3/31st or end of March 2025 for this loan amount. And you want to know how many days you still have to pay your loan amount with the interest. And the formula for that is date diff. Ang start date natin will be today's date. Ang end date natin is yung due date. And ang gusto natin kunin is yung day. So D. Close and enter. And we have 9 days, or we still have 9 days to pay $10,500 for this loan. Now, the question is, paano nga ba gamitin yung now or today functions for timestamps? The proper way to do that is through macro or VBA, but we won't talk about that here. So we will have a separate videos explaining how macro works, or pwede rin naman yung shortcut, control colon for the date, and then control shift semicolon for the time. So if you go back to these cells, as you can see sa formula bar, values yung lumalabas sa kanya, hindi formula. Kaya hindi magbabago yung values niya. I hope I was able to explain now and today functions properly. Please help me by leaving a like and sharing the video and follow my page as well.